So this is how you go through an Algebra 1 lesson. Getting to the lesson itself will be a little bit different. You have a circle on your screen that you can hover over and click on the assignments. So let's say we go to using variables. It should pop up something like this. If your screen is too small, it might cut it off, and you might have a scroll bar on the side, and you would need to scroll up and down. So once you can see this in the bottom right hand corner, you click Start, and then you just go through. This dot at the top will kind of tell you where you are at. Right now we're in the introduction part, so we'd click on the right green arrow to move forward. Now it gives you new dots to say this instruct and practice is basically going to have two parts to the lesson. And we click Start again and go through reading and clicking on this right green arrow. Sometimes it'll ask you questions and you can show what the answer is. Sometimes it'll have multiple choice and you pick your answer and it'll tell you if you're correct or if you're incorrect. If you're incorrect, you'll be able to try again until you get the correct answer. And you just keep hitting that right green arrow. Sometimes you'll have this gray box and you'll have to hit the gray arrow to show everything before it'll let you hit the green arrow. You keep going forward until you hit the review. You have to hit Start on the review and go through the entire review. Then the assessment is where you'll get your grade. It does say you need an 80%. That's a lie. You just need an overall grade of 60 or higher. And you'll go through and pick. It's all multiple choice, so pick your answer, hit Submit, go forward. Pick your answer, hit Submit, go forward. And once you're done with the quiz, it should show you your score at the end. And I'm just picking random answers to get through the quiz itself. So you'll know that you're finished when it tells you your score here at the end. Again, it says you need 80% or higher. That's not true. You can go back to the main menu and just select a new lesson.